Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this really fun, colorful water marble nail design. So in a cup of water, this is regular tap water, I'm just going to add some pastel colors. I have to say that this is one of my favorite water marble designs I've done in a while. I just love the finished look of it. It was just so pretty and perfect for springtime. Now you can add as many colors as you want to. I wanted to add, like I said, springtime colors. So I'm using like blues and pinks, yellows and greens, just soft, pretty pastel colors. Now I'm just adding a few dots. I'm not going crazy with the polish. I see a lot of people go crazy adding so many polish dots in the water. I just add a few dots in it. I don't go extravagant. I don't go crazy because I'm really cheap and I don't want to waste too much of my nail polish. That's really what I do. Then using my water marbling tool, I'm just going to swirl the colors back and forth. This is a really easy and simple water marble nail design to do. One of the most easiest ones to do. Just going back and forth, not taking the tool out of the water, just going really back and forth. And I wanted to move the cup to get the design I want to. And in the angle, I just placed my nail in the cup to get the design. Make sure that you remove all the polish from the top of the cup. If not, you'll ruin your design and you don't want that. Then I removed the liquid latex around my nails and I cleaned around them. And then once I was finished, I applied a quick dry top coat. This is a really easy and simple, well, once you play around with it, simple water marble nail design to do. And I'm going to do more of these tutorials because I see that you guys like them. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.